Hello dear students. In this video we will discuss the important things related to the starch. Why starch is important. There are different types of points. One, two, three, 4 points are present here. We will explain them one by one. First, plant synthesis carbohydrate as in the form of glucose. Plant synthesize carbohydrate in the form of glucose, and this glucose is reducing sugar. We know that glucose is also the reducing sugar. That's why it is highly reactive. Clear? Glucose is a reducing sugar, that's why it is highly reactive. But further, it is convert into sucrose. Because it is highly reactive, then it convert into sucrose. And sucrose, it is a disaccharide, and we know that it is non-reducing sugar, so it is not reactive. Here, the glucose was reducing sugar and it was highly reactive. But when it convert into sucrose, sucrose is a disaccharide and it is non-reducing sugar and it is non-reactive. Further, this sugar convert into starch, and we know that plants make glucose, after that convert into sucrose and store in the form of starch. In this way, we can say that plants cannot store glucose as like starch because glucose is highly reactive. This is the important thing. Question is that arise from this segment: why plant have no tendency to store the glucose molecules? So our answer should be just like this. Plants can't store glucose molecules because glucose molecules have got glucose is known as reducing sugar and it is highly reactive. Clear? So that's why plants have no tendency to store the glucose molecules. First of all, plants convert the glucose into sucrose, then convert the sucrose into starch. So plant store their own food in the form of starch. So with the help of this equation, we can easily understood. Plants make glucose, convert into sucrose and store in the form of starch. Example, potato and rice. So this important thing which is related to the starch, you should have knowledge.